The paragraph given below, so directions for question 17 to 19. So whatever is, so we have 3 questions of the same type here. The paragraph given below is followed by 4 alternate summaries. All right, this is a summary question. Let's look at it. Question 17, a summary question. What is our approach to summary questions? Read the paragraph, have the rephrase, restate the important points. So this is what the author said. Then look at the options. The correct option is one which mentions the main points as you have restated it, or most of the main points as you have restated it. The wrong option would be one which misrepresents the facts given in the passage, gives something which has not been mentioned in the passage, out of scope of the passage, or contradicts what has been said in the passage, right? Or maybe uses an extreme word when that extreme word has not been used in the passage. All right? Okay. A belief or theory is true for the pragmatists to the extent that it practically helps us solve problems or allows us to usefully continue our research. So what's the passage talking about? A belief or theory, a true belief or a true theory, according to whom? The pragmatists. What do the pragmatists say? They say that a belief is true or a theory is true when it practically helps us solve our problems. That's what we mean when we say that it's true that the vaccines are effective. A belief is true, a practice is true when it, or a theory is true to the extent that it has practicality. When it practically helps us, we call that belief true, we call that theory true, according to the pragmatists. First line. Second, there's no practical purpose to be served by a metaphysical theory or a mnemonic formulae beset by obscurity and circularity. So when you give a hypothetical theory, when you give a theory which is obscure or circulatory, means very tortuous, very convoluted, it doesn't have any practical value or purpose. Pragmatism says truth is not the sort of thing one should expect to have a philosophically interesting theory about. So you don't expect a philosophically interesting theory necessarily to be truthful. You can't expect truth to have a philosophically... So truth is not the sort of thing one should expect. Truth cannot have a philosophically interesting theory about it. Truth is truth. It involves practicality. So don't expect some philosophically interesting theory that truth will have. You can't expect truth to have a philosophically interesting theory. All right, these are the main points. Main point would be, what is a true theory or a true belief according to the pragmatists? That's what you need to know. Pragmatists do not believe. I don't want to know what pragmatists don't believe. The passage should tell me what do the pragmatists believe. What do they not believe is not my idea. Pragmatists believe that truth cannot be explained. No. They didn't say that. They said don't expect truth to have a philosophically interesting theory. It does not mean it cannot be explained by, right? What do they believe in is what my passage should tell me, what my summary should tell me. That is the main point. Pragmatists believe in the practicality of a theory rather than its difficulty or complexity. Perfect. Pragmatics are of the theory that truth should be easy to understand, transparent rather than being. Are they talking about truth? They believe in a true belief or a true theory. A true belief or a true theory should be practical. That is what they're talking about. They're not talking about truth itself. They're talking about a true belief or a true theory. So D again is not talking about the subject of the passage. Therefore, my correct summary is C.